This is a room filled with some of the best coding and programming students in the Poconos and Lehigh Valley. This is Code Jam 2022, hosted by DeSales University. Teams of 4 must solve as many programming problems as they can. Some are math problems, others are technical ones. Whoever solves the most problems wins. But there's only a 2-hour time limit, which was a huge adjustment for Matthew Olson and his team from Panther Valley High School.
Normally we have all the time in the world to work through a problem, but with that counter, counting down, the clock counting down, the pressure is just on you.
There are teams of 4, but each team can only work through one laptop. Hugh Wilkes from Emmaus High School says people not on the keyboard had to contribute in other ways.
We only had that one computer to work with at a time, so some of us were stuck just looking at their notebook paper with the code kind of written out, and we couldn't do anything with it.
For many, this is a first-time experience, but this is James Taddy's second Code Jam competition. He and his teammates from Jim Thorpe Area High School came prepared, which helped them take home the 3rd place medal.
I enjoyed my freshman year, it was fun, but coming back here and now being a little bit more experienced, being able to do more, it's fun to code against other people, see how well you can do.
Emmaus High School ended up taking 1st place, which surprised Wilkes a bit since they were down a teammate and they were the youngest team.
I didn't think we had great chances, to be honest, going in. I thought we'd do great, but they'd probably do a little better. Then I saw we were in the lead and realized that if we can just keep going, we'll just keep winning.
Win or lose, the most important part of Code Jam 2022 is bringing together students from 7 different high schools to network and be around like minds.
Most of the time when I'm talking to people, they don't program, so it doesn't make any sense to them. But we had a group of people who all understood each other.
We're normally not surrounded by people who know how to program, or there are some people who barely touch technology, right? Coming here, it was, being around all these people, it was really impressive.
If you think I'm the best, then you don't have to try as hard. Maybe you only do 90% of what you can do. Whereas when you're out there, your heart's pounding, you know that there are better people right next to you on the table, you're kind of motivated to do better.
Congratulations to Emmaus High School and all the teams who competed. And thank you to DeSales University for giving our students a platform to showcase their skills.